It's time for a new windshield sunshade for our Model 3. The first accessory that we ever purchased for this Model 3 was this sunshade. We got it at an O'Reilly Auto Parts. It's one of those, you know, you unfold it like that and it becomes your sunshade. And it can be a little bit unwieldy, as I'm kind of showing here. And you know what? I'm just going to put this in the car for the moment. That's where this one comes in. This is a car sunshade umbrella from EVBase. I'll have the link down in the description, and if you're interested in picking one up for yourself, you enter the promo code SPINNER and you can get a discount of, I think, 20% off. And you open the box and this is what you get. It just looks like a really big umbrella. With its sleeve, you just undo the Velcro here, and then it opens like an umbrella. It's got a nice little cutout for the mirror and everything like that. Show you how it goes into the car. Slide it in like so, and boom. Also, be sure that you do this the correct way with the umbrella handle behind your screen before you lock it in place. Otherwise, I just learned that the umbrella handle will open your frunk and your trunk both. So as you can tell, it's in one piece. It covers A pillar to A pillar down to the dash, and the gap that it misses at the top, the actual sun visors can hold it in place. If it was any bigger, it would be really hard for it to fit in there. It's an inexpensive addition. Are we going to use this more often than the sunshades we already have? I don't know. So it's kind of neat. It takes up a little bit of less space in the car than the foldy ones that I got from O'Reilly, but the O'Reilly ones are easier for me to use, and so those are the ones that I'm probably going to use. However, you may be more skilled than me at the umbrella sunshade bits, and so the link is down in the description. Again, that's the umbrella sunshade from EVBase. The link is down in the description if you want it for your car, and if you enter the promo code SPINNER, you can receive an additional 20% off. So thanks for watching.